Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the RK C61. So let's open this up and I can show you exactly what is inside the box. First, we have the user manual right here. There you go, you have your table of contents, all the different languages that you could read the instructions for. And it also has like different key combinations that you could edit the light on there. And wow, this is really neat. So just take a look at how compact this keyboard is. And let's just move the box to the side here, just so I show you guys. All right, so let's do a little bit of a key test, just a sound test. The keys are really nice and easy to press. Make a very satisfying sound as well. So if I were to just have this on my desk, so yeah, it feels really good to press. I like the escape key and the entry key just being different colors, because it looks really cool. And then let's flip it to the other side. So this is powered through Type C cable. Let me show you guys the bottom here. Show you guys the side. Going back to the box here, it's going to have a Type C cable, and then these tongs so that you could remove the keys. So now I'm going to plug in this keyboard back here with the Type C cable. So now we have the keyboard plugged in via wire connection, and if I want to change the backlight mode, all I had to do is hold FN and then this key up here. So I'm going to do that, press, and then you can see that we have a slightly different lighting pattern, and we're just going to keep pressing, and you guys can continue to see all the different ones. That one's pretty cool, a little bit of kind of like a pulse effect. I'm going to go here, and I'm actually going to change the lighting situation in the room so you guys could see it a little bit better. There we go, you have that one. Whoa, and then you have this one that's just kind of pulsing a little bit more rapidly. This one's pretty neat too. And yeah, you have a bunch of different light combinations here. You could also adjust the brightness if you want. You could also adjust the speed. So just find one that you really like, and if you get bored of it one day, then you could always switch to the next one. This one's pretty crazy. Whoa, look at that. So there's so many different things you could do with this one. I really like the way that this one looks here. Check that out. This one, you could just, ooh, have this little wave going on, or you could just go based off of where you're pressing, which is pretty cool as well. Oh, a little bit of a splash effect. Okay, yeah, I actually prefer the splash effects on my keyboards. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of a type test here. Okay, here we go, just so you guys can see what it would be like if you have this keyboard. Alright, but there you go. Yeah, this is a really fun, cool keyboard, and I like the minimalist look about it and how small it is. It's going to be able to fit on any desk, and yeah, this splash effect is just really cool. And I think the keyboard itself, just typing on it, sounds really nice and smooth. So if you're looking for a keyboard, a nice compact keyboard, then I would highly recommend checking this out. And full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in exchange for this video.